Hello and welcome. My name is Christine, and this is the Week 4 video journal assignment for the Intro to Health and Wellness. Today's topic is about life stressors, and I'm ready to get started. So, I was a little bit surprised about my score. I thought I was doing better compared to what I was a few months ago. Um, I've been taking over-the-counter products that I felt was really working, had started to work out, had started to see an improvement with my life stressors. But I guess that wasn't the case, especially when, I started seeing my hours being cut into, so that kind of started cutting into finances. Certain things in home life started picking up. So I guess there's a lot of things going around, personal, financial, work related, that kind of impacted a lot of different things. So that's where my score wasn't where I thought it was going to be. Um, I believe the dimensions kind of were right on cue where I was expecting it to be. But occupational wise, physically, emotionally right now, especially emotionally, these are some of the dimensions that I am having more struggle with. Um, these are probably going to be the looking forward. I'm going to try to work on more with more effort in the future, especially with concerning how well I need to try to get into the concept that these impact my overall wellness. It's just not just me being more financially and emotionally and physically fit, that everything falls into place like dominoes. If I want to be overall healthy, that I have to worry about everything together, coming together as a whole. Um, I'm trying to get all these words together in my head, so. But that's pretty much what I'm going to get at with that. So I have to get all these dimensions together in order to see the bigger picture. So these are the wellnesses that were, I believe, and I saw were impacted by my levels of stress. Um, so yeah, sorry, I'm trying to do a lot of thinking as far as where I was trying to go with those words. But anyways, so the technique that I use the most is actually meditation. At least I try to. I do as much meditation as I can. Recently, I haven't been able to as much as I wanted, as I've been meaning to, shall I say. Um, there's been a lot of change in work again. So I've been trying to catch up on sleep. Sleeping has been one of my most difficult accomplishments, shall I say, for other reasons that I care not to get into here. So, between trying to balance out everything between home, trying to figure out what I am going to do with my little one when summertime is out and we get, you know, my little one back enrolled into school, how I'm going to take care of that with the work, with finances, school, and so on. It's kind of like your mind is worried about everything that's going on, and I tend to try to like figure it all out at once, and so the weight of the world is kind of coming down on me. So that's pretty much how I see it. Is like I don't take it one day at a time. I take it like every day at a time, and so little stressors kind of pile up on me all at once. So some of the health risks that are associated with a lot of stress is mostly heart related. High blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, struggle sleeping at night actually is another one. You can, have anxiety, depression from lack of sleep. I mean, the list can continue to go on and on and on for, struggling with stress. But some of the strategies that I'm thinking from moving on forward is probably going to take a deeper look at my physical. I need to do a lot more working out, definitely. I noticed that when I worked out a little bit more, I was able to actually get more into, sleeping easier. I felt better about myself. It's not to say that, not a, I'm not saying that I'm the, most unhealthiest person in the world, but I'm not saying I'm exactly the healthiest either. But I tend to snack sometimes more than I should. So from here on out, I should probably, work out a little bit more to ease up the stress, definitely meditate, and get to bed at a reasonable time because sleep is important. And if you don't get enough of those 8 hours of quality sleep, your mind kind of tends to take stress to a whole new level. But though that is what I feel that I can do on a weekly basis. And thanks for watching.